Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
It's weird. So weird. Oh, it's so weird. Why is it so weird? I don't know. Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Attack on Titan Season 1, Episode 1. That's it. I want to begin a new show, a new anime. I hesitated, since a long time about beginning this anime because when I decided to begin Death Note, it was because of the fact that Death Note won that poll on my Patreon. That poll, I asked you on it if you wanted me to try Death Note, to try Attack on Titan, and another anime that I can't remember right now. But you guys on my Patreon, you chose Death Note, but still you were plenty to vote for Attack on Titan, so I was hesitating. Should I begin also to react to it at the same time? So I waited a little. And I have a schedule that I'm respecting. Right now I'm reacting to The Walking Dead, Death Note, and Avatar The Last Airbender, The Legend of Korra. And I'm really someone who is respecting her schedule and all. But during the last days I discovered Squid Game, and because of that I totally changed everything on my schedule just to put that show on it. And I loved so much Squid Game, and I loved so much also to discover a new show, a new universe. It has been a long time that I didn't discover something new like that, and because of that I remember that Attack on Titan, the fact that I wanted to try it, and the fact that if I want, in fact, I can put something new on my schedule. And with The Walking Dead, the first half of the season of The Walking Dead closing like that, and with Fear the Walking Dead being back soon, but the fact that I hesitate a lot about continuing to react to it or not, because of the fact that since seasons now, the writers of this show disappointed me a lot with really, really bad episodes. So it was a roller coaster for me to react to it, because of the fact that it's demanding me a lot of work, because AMC, they are really assholes, to be totally honest, with little reactors like me. And they are blocking the videos, and when they are not blocking them, they are still taking all of the tips to it. And if me, I'm respecting the fair use rules with only 8 or 10 minutes of one episode, with less than 8 seconds of a screen, of a scene and all. Some others are not respecting these rules, and some others are not being harassed like I am. Like, I think little reactors like me are harassed, are annoyed a lot by AMC. So because of that, because of all of these reasons, I was like, you know what, maybe you should stop Fear the Walking Dead, or maybe just put it on your Patreon. But no matter what, maybe in fact it's the good moment to begin something new. And why not Attack on Titan, that you have in mind since so long, that a lot of you guys on my Patreon were asking for also. So that's it, I'm gonna react to it, which means that for some weeks you're gonna have on my Patreon only animes, with Death Note, with Attack on Titan, and with The Legend of Korra. But you know what, it's okay for me, why not? So many people are saying so many good stuff about it, including my little brother, which is not so little, okay, he's 21, like, he's not that little, but he's gonna be always my little brother, and he loves that anime so much, so I want to try it. And I'm really enthusiastic about it, about trying it. I'm gonna do like usually with this new show anime, which means that you're gonna have episodes earlier on my Patreon. Is it only gonna be earlier during the day? I don't think so. I think that I'm gonna try to put the videos at least 1 week earlier on my Patreon, if it's not more, with time, and with an extended or full reaction part. If it's like The Legend of Korra and Death Note, for extended reaction part, it's between 4 and 6 minutes longer, which is a lot, you know, for short episodes like that. And the full reaction part, it's the full reaction part. Check the description. Each time I'm telling you on the description if I put the extended or the full reaction part, if you can be interested for that and also to support me. And I'm saying that also because during the last days, weeks, really I fought a lot for all of the videos that I uploaded on my channel. And it has been rough and stressful and all. Really, YouTube is not playing fair at all with little people like me, little channel like mine. I decided that now I was gonna say to people that if you want to support me, of course you have my Patreon, but you can also, you know, subscribe, like and comment. I think that it's the only way, in fact, for YouTube, more than the views, to tell to YouTube, hey, I exist, and to tell them, stop annoying that girl, she has also people with her, even if I don't have a lot of them, I still have them, you know. I don't know. Maybe it can help at some point, maybe one day. No matter what, I'm gonna begin this anime. I'm really excited about it, about discovering it. If you don't know me, I'm French, as you can hear with my beautiful accent. I'm watching the shows into the original version with English subtitles, and I'm talking a lot in intros and reviews because I love to talk about shows that I love, to talk about my series, to talk also about the characters, how they are developed, but also how the shows and animes are written, are done, about the music and all. So I hope that I'm gonna do that also with Attack on Titan. Like usually, I'm gonna try 2 or first episode and then I will decide if I'm gonna post these reaction videos. For me, good reaction videos, it's okay good reactions during the episodes, but also good thoughts if I have stuff to talk about in intros and reviews. Let's see if it's gonna be the case. If you are watching this on YouTube, it means that I already decided I'm gonna react to it. Let's go for it. I'm excited. Ooh, the atmosphere is... What? Oh, the music? I'm surprised. Music, the... right into the action. You're on a mission, guys, for sure. No. I knew that it was bad music. I never watched it, but I know that. Eren and Mikasa, okay.
Mikasa に何か怒られたのか? 酒臭っいいじゃねえかよ。なんでいざって時戦えんの?
Oh, you have a lot of anger into you.
決まってんだろ。奴らが壁を壊して街に入ってきた時だよ。そんなこと100年間で一度もないんだぜ。でもそうやって安心してる時が一番危ないって父さんが言ってたんだ。
Dr. Jiga? I don't know how to say it with the accent, I mean.
奴らにこの50メートルの壁をどうこうできるとは思えんだ。
No, big ones.
もう中東兵団なんて名乗るのやめて壁壊したんにしろよ。まさかあいつ調査兵団に入りたいのか?
I think that it's the guys that we saw at the beginning. They were so classy and all. I loved it. I'm sorry.
調査兵団はやめた方がいい。なんだよ、お前の調査兵団をバカにするのか。勝利の門が開くぞ。行くぞ行くぞ。英雄の凱旋だ。
Oh, you love them. The smile, the look, the enthusiasm. Okay, that's it. That's the guys that we saw. she's killed. Like,
モーゼスが見当たらないんですが、息子はどこでしょうか。
モーゼスの母親だ。持ってこい。
bring it. It's a part of his body.
息子は役に立ったんですよね。直接の手柄はなくても息子の死は人類の反撃の糧になったんですよね。
Tell her
もちろん。
yes. No matter what he did.
今回も何の成果も得られませんでした。ただいたずらに兵を知らせ、奴らの正体を打ち止めることができませんでした。
You're blaming yourself. Not.
調査兵団に入りたいって気持ちは変わった。
Don't think so. Are you friends or brothers and sisters?
なんだよ。耳が赤かった。嘘ついた証拠。
Yeah.
ミカサに手伝ってもらったのね。
内地診療だ。2、3日かかるかな。
In the inner worlds, you have several worlds.
エレンが調査兵団に入りたいって。言うなって。エレン、壁の外に出た人類がどれだけ死んだか分かってるの。知りたいんだ。外の世界がどうなっているのか。何も知らずに一生壁の中で過ごすなんて嫌だ。ここで誰も続く人がいなかったら今までに死んだ人たちの命が無駄になる。
You're brave, kid.
船の時間だ。そろそろ行くよ。人間の探求心とは誰かに言われて抑えられるものではないよ。帰ったらずっと秘密にしていた地下室を見せてやろう。
Ah, you have a secret basement? Don't die during your trip.
バカだって。俺には家畜でも平気でいられる人間の方がよっぽど間抜けに見えるね。エレン、ミカサ、あの子はだいぶ危なっかしいから困った時は二人で助け合うんだよ。
Oh, I'm afraid that she's gonna have to keep that promise. To have that during the first episode when they're kids.
殴り返してみろや。うるせえぞこら。やめろ。
Again? Oh, they're more afraid of her.
人類はいずれ外の世界に行くべきだって言ったら殴られた。いたんだって。くそ。
Oh, you're sharing something with
しないので
Arnie.
見られるんだ。王政府の方針として外の世界に興味を持つこと自体をタブーにしたんだ。
They
自分
forbid
の命
it.
をかけるんだ。そういやお前よくも親にバラしたな。協力した。
My parents, it's not
どうだった
her parents also.
確かにこの壁の中は未来永劫安全だと信じきってる人はどうかと思うよ。
They're living in peace.
100年壁が壊され
They
なかったから
forget,
といって
maybe.
今日壊されない保証なのか。どこにもないのに。
Ooh, no mind, no sound.
なんだ爆発が。
No, it was a thunder, you know. It was close. It was behind the walls,
どう
but
した
close.
一体何が見えるってんだよ。
Oh, okay, the scene from the beginning.
壁は10メートルだぞ。
Titans are supposed to be less time.
巨人だ。
He's gonna destroy everything in this one second. Oh, they are Titans? They are... Wait! Right.
君の目が母さんがもうダメなんだ。この街はもう無数の巨人に占領される。この角を曲がればいつもの家が。母さん
Oh, no, 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 no! Can you get her out?
としても走るの。勝手に逃げるよ。どうしていつも母さんの言うことを聞かないの。ごめんなさい、3人とも。子供たちを連れて逃げて。
俺は巨人をぶっ殺してきっちり3人とも助ける。
But you can't kill all of them.
俺は俺の恩返しを通す。
You're dead. Ah! You look awful.
おい、ハーデンさん。ありがとう。母さんが。
Oh, she. Ooh.
ミカさん、いるのよ。
You're gonna see that? It's so savage! She was so brave and thank you so much, Hannes.
鳥かごの中に囚われていた屈辱を。
Really? I'm sorry. I'm surprised, but such in a good way. Like, you know, the anime that I'm watching right now, it's Death Note. Into my life, I watched some animes, but it was a long time ago, and it was animes like Full Metal Alchemist, Brotherhood. Each time that I'm saying that, you're asking me which one? Brotherhood. So it has been a long time that I didn't watch that kind of anime, you know, like that, and that way maybe I didn't expect it to be dark like that. The way that it's, you know, the drawings, but also right there the story with these titans who are attacking and eating people, but also, you know, how it's surrounded, I don't know how to translate that, by the music, which is so important, so intense. It's really, at the beginning it was action musics, like we were on a mission, and right there at the end with this attack of the titans, it was really like apocalyptic, like almost something, a religious threat coming to you, like the end of the world. How it was done, you know, right there, how the mother died and the kids sing that and all. It was so dark. I was surprised by it, but I love that. I mean, I'm gonna love it. I can feel it because it's gonna, it means that it's gonna be serious, you know, it's gonna be a serious anime with serious things which are gonna happen into it, like people can die really easily. Now I can feel it. Not just because of the fact that titans are attacking people and can kill them, but also because now with this first episode we have the mood of the anime, like really we have the mood of it, the tone of it, they can do that. I think that this episode is in fact the prologue, you know, the story before the real story, to introduce us to the real story. Maybe we're gonna have Eren and Mikasa after that being older and all, and the situation after these attacks, the fact that all of these people, they felt like they were protected by these walls. With that thunder like that, with which came a bigger titan than all of the other ones, you were attacked and your city was destroyed and you lost people, and maybe also you lost peace, or at least the feeling of peace that maybe you had before that. You know, I can imagine something like that, a situation like that. For the story, I'm already intrigued, interested. I can already feel the tone that the writers are gonna give to this anime. I can already appreciate it, you know, feel that I can love it if they are continuing with it. And for the characters, I mean, in just one episode, they gave us a lot of things about the characters. Eren, who is so brave, who wants to be on the Recon Corps to fight the Titans because he's brave, because he feels that it's necessary and that people ask to do it and that they are not at peace, not really, and he was right. We have the proof of that at the end. And Armin, his friend, was thinking the same, but at the end he said like it's over and he was paralyzed by what was happening, so can he be a good soldier? Like, can he join Eren into the Recon Corps? You know, I'm thinking if I'm right about at the end of this episode, between episodes having a time jump, are we gonna have Armin also into the Recon Corps? I'm not sure for what we saw during this episode. So they are friends, and Mikasa, I thought that she was your sister, Eren, because she joined you into your parents' home, and how your parents were treating her. She was a traitor, she said that you wanted to join the Recon Corps, and the way that the mother talked to Mikasa and all, it was really like she was included into that family. But at the same time, Eren, he said my parents, he didn't say our parents. It was weird. So maybe she's a friend also, one of your best friends. We'll see. And we had Hannes, who is one of the guards, you know, of the walls. He was not a really good one. At least he was not taking his job seriously because he was drinking alcohol while he was doing his job. But at the end, he's coming and he's saving the kids. At first, he hesitated, you know, to attack the Titan, and he said something like, to pay my debt. Your debt to who? To the society, you know, to the city, or to Dr. Jaeger and his wife and this family? I think that it was more something like that. I'm interested by that. And at the end, he knew, facing the Titan, that he couldn't kill him just by himself, so that's why he went back to save the kids. Good call, I think. And thank you for that. Because of that, we're gonna have the story of these kids, I think. Oh, it was cool, that episode. The musics! You know how much I love musics into shows that I'm watching, you know how much I'm paying attention to it, and sometimes I'm even spending entire minutes just discussing about the musics during my reviews, and during the episodes I can't, you know, not say that I love the music, and right there they were so good. But there were different, you know, during all of it. And also the show was playing with it, was playing also with some moments without any music, or just a little mood music, for having big musics during the moments of action, but also with different mood for these musics. It was... You can think that it's a weird mix, but in fact it was well done. The wind moment, you know, with after that no more wind, no more sound, and also this picture, you know, almost picture of the fact that they were living in peace during that moment. It was well done to show us that right there, life is good, life is sweet, and all. For after that, crushing it, it was well done. I'm intrigued. I'm impressed by the music, by the tone, the mood of this first episode. I'm okay with the story, I'm intrigued, and I can feel that characters can grow, can evolve, and that they're gonna pay attention to the characters. It sounds good for Attack on Titan, me appreciating Attack on Titan, but also me reacting to it. If I have a lot of things like that to say about it at the end of each episode, can be good. I think that I'm gonna watch one more episode today or not. Today is gonna be rough, you know. It's the end of the day, I don't want to finish without any lights, so maybe more tomorrow I'm gonna watch a second episode to really be sure that I'm gonna react to it for my channel. That I'm gonna watch it, for sure I'm gonna watch it, that's it. I want to discover more about it, but with you or not, I think that I will see that after the episode 2. Again, if you are watching this on YouTube, no worries, it means that I decided to react to it. At least to the first season, you know, I'm functioning like that seasons by seasons. Cool! Really cool! Okay, so it's all for you and for me for today, so it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye!
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.